Welcome in polynomial part 5 for class 9. Class 10 can also be used, so it is written for class 9 and 10. There are some algebraic identities which the student must know. Number 1, x plus a into x plus b, that is x square plus a plus b x plus ab. The student must remember this. Second, a square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. Okay. Third, a plus b whole square, a square 2ab b square. Fourth, a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. In case of plus, here it is plus, in case of minus, here it is minus. So from here only you can write a square plus b square can be written as a plus b whole square minus 2ab. From here, a square plus b square can be written as a plus b whole square minus 2ab, or you can also write a minus b whole square. If you are writing, then plus 2ab, plus 2ab. Is it all right? From here, a square plus b square, a minus b whole square plus 2ab. So these things we know. Also, number 6, a plus b whole square can also be written as a minus b whole square plus 4ab. Is not it? 7, a minus b whole square can be written as a plus b whole square minus 4ab. So these things we should keep in our mind. More results are there. So first you note down this. Then number 8. A plus b whole cube. What will be a plus b whole cube? A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. How this result will come? You know a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Multiply it once again by a plus b. If you want to get the result a plus b whole square, thus you multiply this by a plus b once again and add, you will get this a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square. This result can also be written as, take 3ab as a common, then within bracket you will get a plus b. So you should remember this also, that a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab within bracket a plus b. Or from here only you should also remember the value of a cube plus b cube. Thus can be written as a plus b whole cube minus 3ab a plus b. Find a cube plus b cube. A plus b whole cube, this will come this side, minus 3ab a plus b. Also, if you take here a plus b as common, can be taken as common, then within bracket it will come a plus b whole square minus 3ab. A plus b whole square minus 3ab will be a square minus AB plus B square. A plus B whole square here left, A square plus B square plus 2AB. 2AB and this minus 3AB will gives you minus AB. So you must remember A cube plus B cube can be written as A plus B, A square minus AB plus B square. Number 9, A minus B whole cube is A cube minus B cube minus 3A square B plus 3AB square. In order to get the result, A minus B whole square, A square minus 2AB plus B square, multiply it by A minus B to get the result. And this can also be written as A cube minus B cube minus 3AB. If you take common, you will get A minus B within bracket. So this is also result. A minus B whole cube can be written as A cube minus B cube minus 3AB. If you take minus common, then minus 3AB, then within bracket it will come A minus B. That's all right. Now from here only you can write A cube minus B cube. A cube minus B cube can be written as A minus B whole cube. This will go to that side plus 3AB A minus B. This is your A cube minus B cube. A cube minus B cube, you must remember A minus B whole cube minus A minus B whole cube plus 3AB A minus B. This part will come this side, then A cube minus B cube will come A minus B whole cube plus 3AB A minus B. And this can also be written as, if you take here A minus B common, this is more important, within bracket you will get A minus B whole square plus 3AB. So it will gives you A square plus AB plus B square. This is more important. A cube minus B cube, A minus B, A square plus AB plus B square. A cube plus B cube, A plus B, A square minus AB plus B square. And A cube minus B cube, A minus B, then here A square plus AB. In case of minus, here it is plus AB plus B square. So this is important for class 9 in order to get the factorization of A cube plus B cube and A cube minus B cube. Few more results are there. Nine, 10 number, right? A plus B plus C whole square. This will be A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB 2BC plus 2CA. Or you can also write it A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 common AB plus BC plus CA. Okay. Number 11. All these identities must remembered by the student of standard 9 as well as 10. Next is A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. It is very important. A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is equal to A plus B plus C. Within bracket A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. So you must remember this: A cube plus B cube plus C cube, A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. In this result, you can see if A plus B plus C 0, if this part is 0, the product will be 0. So you will get a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to 0. So you will get a new result, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc will go to another side, abc. So you must remember a cube plus b cube plus c cube will be 3abc, but this is possible only when a, b, c equal to 0. As for example, suppose you have to find 12 cube plus 13 cube plus minus 25 cube. No need to find their cubes. Here this is a, this is b, this is c. A plus b plus c is 0. 12 plus 13 plus minus 25 is 0. Therefore, this will be simply a cube plus b cube plus c cube, 3abc. 3 into 12 into 13 into minus 25. Answer will come in minus. You will multiply whatever come, that will be the answer. Okay. Now, we see some problems based on these results. Some problems have been taken which are already there in your exercise. Let us see. First problem, factorize. Two x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2 xy plus 4 root 2 yz and minus 8 xz. 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2 xy plus 4 root 2 yz. You have to factorize it. Factorize means you have to write it as a product of two or more terms. So, how this is possible? You should keep one thing in your mind. Suppose this is there, a plus b minus c is there. So it means it is a plus b plus minus c. It is in this way, it can be written in this way. And what will be its expansion? A square plus b square plus minus c square. So minus square will become plus 2ab plus 2bc, 2bc, b into minus c. So this sign will be minus, plus 2ca, 2c, here c is minus c and a is plus. So it will be minus ca in this way. Means in place of c we take minus c. A square plus b square minus c square become plus. 2ab plus 2bc, in place of c we take minus c, so this become minus, and plus 2ca, in place of c we take minus c, so this sign will also become minus. So in this way we can expand. Similarly, you can expand b plus minus b minus c whole square. It can be written as a plus minus b plus minus c its square. Now in place of b it is minus b, in place of c it is minus c. So it will also be a square plus b square minus b square plus c square plus 2ab, but b is negative, so minus 2ab, 2bc, bc, then b is also minus, c is also minus, minus plus 2bc minus 2ca, because c is negative. So in this way we can expand a minus b minus c whole square. Or maybe minus b plus c, minus a plus b plus c, or whatever sign may be, you can expand in this way. So let us see, it is expansion given, x square is there, y square is there, z square is there, so obviously it will come in this form, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. In that form it will come, and then finally we can write it as a plus b plus c whole square. See how. Two x square can be written as, because x square, y, a square, b square, c square is required, y square is okay. Thus 8z square, you have to write it as a whole square. So can you write it 2 root 2 z whole square? 2 square 4, root 2 square 2. So 4 into 2, 8, and z square. So 8z square can be written as 2 root 2 z whole square minus 2 root 2 xy, it is okay, it is 2 root 2 yz minus 8xz. Okay, so it is a square, it is of the type a square, it is of the type b square, it is of the type c square. Now we arrange all these terms as 2ab, 2bc and 2ca. See, it will come, xz is there, xz, so it will come, xy is there, so it will come as a 2ab. See, 2a, a means, what is our a? Root 2x, this is a. And what is b? Y. So can you write this in this way? So it is a square, b square, it is 2ab, and here it is yz. Yz means it will come as 2bc. So can you write it? Sign will be later on. 2bc. B means our y, and c means 2 root 2 z. See, it will come to our 2ab. Here it was, this was 4 yz. Just a minute. It is your 4. Okay, see, from here it is written, and this can be written as, okay, plus or minus sign will be seen later on. 4 root 2 yz can be written as 2 into y into 2 root 2 z. 2 into 2, 4. 4 root 2 yz. It is written to make 2bc, a square, b square, c square, 2bc type it is. 2 into this into this. And third is 8xz. xz means it will be AC. So see, it is 2AC. A is root 2x. This is your A. And C is 2 root 2 Z. See, if you multiply, this will come 2 into root 2 into 2 into root 2, 2 into 2, 4, root 2 into root 2, 2. So 4 into 2, 8, 8xz it is. So this can be written in this way. Why it is written like this? Because that will gives you 2AC, 2 into this into this. देखिए उतना ही आएगा. ये लिखे हैं फिर ये लिखे हैं. In this way you have to adjust it as a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now problem is of sign. Let us see. This step is very important. Root 2x whole square, it is a square, it is b square, it is c square. Okay, now 2 minus is there, you write it plus 2 root 2x minus y, then it becomes minus 2 root 2xy, minus is taken with y, so it is of the type 2ab, but here b is taken plus, you keep here one minus sign, so it is a square b square c square, b is minus y, so it is 2ab, a means 2 root 2 and b means minus y, and if you simplify this will come, okay, plus 2y 2 root 2 z, yz means it is of the type 2bc, so you will write it 2, here b is taken y minus y, so this is 2b, and c you also take in this way, so this minus minus will become plus 2 root 2 yz, y already minus, and this c part is also minus, so here also you will take minus, so it is of the coming a square plus b square, b is minus y, plus c square, c is minus 2 root 2z, it is 2ab, now it is clear, plus 2bc, b is minus y, c is minus root 2z, देखिए इसको मल्टीप्लाई कीजिएगा तो ये आ जाएगा माइनस माइनस प्लस, प्लस वो होगा आपका 2ac, जरा देखिए तो 2ac, a means root 2x and c means minus 2 root 2z, ध्यान से देखिए इसको, ये माइनस है तो ये माइनस हो जाएगा मल्टीप्लिकेशन में, 2 root 2x 2 root 2z 2 root 2x 2 root 2z with minus, so this will be minus, so this and this are same thing, and it is of the type, now it is a square b square c square, in place of b it is minus y, in place of c it is minus 2 root 2z, so a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab, see 2bc, then 2ca, ac, a is this, c is this, c is minus 2 root 2z, here minus square will become plus, minus square will become plus, so in this way by taking one minus we can adjust it in the form a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, इस तरह से आपको एडजस्ट करना है इसको। अब ये हो गया a प्लस बी प्लस सी होल स्क्वायर। व्हाट इज a? a के जगह पर है आपका ये। व्हाट इज b? चलिए ऐसे रखे ना, ये है b, b के जगह पर है माइनस वाई। व्हाट इज c? -2√2 z इसका स्क्वायर। ये हो गया a प्लस बी प्लस सी एट्स स्क्वायर। ओके, और इट कैन बी रिटन एज √2x माइनस वाई माइनस 2√2 z एट्स स्क्वायर। इसको ऐसा लिख सकते हैं ना। एंड इट कैन बी रिटन ट्वाइस √2x माइनस वाई माइनस 2√2z इंटू √2x माइनस वाई माइनस 2√2z। इसको स्क्वायर है तो आप दो बार लिख सकते हैं। तो इन दिस वे वी कैन फैक्टराइज द पोलिनोमियल बाय टेकिंग इट in the form a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. That can be written as a plus b plus c whole square. Let us see one more problem. These problems are given in your book. 27 p cube minus 1 by 216 minus 9 by 2 p square plus 1 by 4. Yes, we have to factorize this. P cube is given. See, it is actually given 27 p cube. 3 cube is 27. So can be written as, yes, it is of the type a cube, and it is what, 216 is 6 cube. So it can be written this. So it is of the type a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square, and it will gives you a minus b whole cube. So you have to write all the terms as a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So let us see how can we arrange. It is clear. 27 p cube is 3p whole cube. 1 by 216 is 1 by 6 cube. It is of the type a cube minus b cube. Now what is required? To write as a formula a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b. आप लिखिए ना, देखिए आ जाएगा 3a square b. Let us see. It is coming. What will be this? 3a square b. Okay, so a is this, b is this. So 3 square 9 into 3 27. So it is not like that. It is 9 by 2 p square. Okay, in the question you take some correction. It's 27 p cube minus 1 by 216. It is 9 by 2 p square. Correct it. Right here 9 by 2 p square. Now you see, it is a cube plus b cube 3a square b. 3a square, a square means its square, into b, b means 1 by 6. Now see, it is 9 by 2 p square. It is 3 into 9 into 1 by 6. So 3 2 is 6. It will come 9 by 2. So this 9 by 2 p square can be written as 3 into 3p whole square into 1 by 6. So this is same as minus 9 by 2 p square. So it is in the form a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b. Then what is required? 3ab square. 3a. A means, and b square. B square means 1 by 6 square. One by 4. No, it will not come. It is 36 9. It is 1 by 4 p it should be. Then only the problem will be solved. 9 9 4. Yes, it will be 1 by 4 p. Question some mistake was there, you correct it. 27 p cube minus 1 by 216 minus 9 by 2 p square plus 1 by 4 p it should be. In the question it is mistake is there, you write is 1 by 4 p, then only it will be factorized. Last term should be 1 by 4 p. And see, It is a cube plus b cube, 3a square b. Last term should be 3ab square. 3a means 3p. 3a b square. B square means 1 by 6 its square. Okay. 9. So what is simplify it? 3 into 3 9, and here 6 square is 36. So 9 4s are 36. So 1 by 4p, it should be 1 by 4p. Then only your problem will be solved. Okay. So now you see properly. This is same as this. ये 9 है, ये 36 है. 9 4s are 36. 1 by 4p होगा. ये और ये सेम है. ये है आपका 3 2 जा 6, 9 by 2 p स्क्वायर है. और ये है 1 by 6 होल क्यूब. और ये है 3p होल क्यूब. So it is of the type a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square. So it can be written as a minus b whole cube. B means 1 by 6 whole cube. So in this way we can factorize it. And if it is cube, you can write it in this way. You can write it thrice. So this is called factorization. Factorization means written as a product of 2 or 3 terms. ये क्वेश्चन ठीक से करेक्ट कर लीजिए. दो बार करेक्शन हुआ. यहाँ ये 9 by 2 होगा, ये 1 by 4 p होगा. ठीक है. See one more and last problem for you. यहाँ लिखते हैं क्वेश्चन को. Factorize. देखिएगा. x माइनस वाई होल क्यूब, y माइनस जेड होल क्यूब, प्लस z माइनस एक्स होल क्यूब. इसको फैक्टराइज करना है. लेट x माइनस ए, x माइनस वाई equal to a, y minus z equal to b, and z minus x equal to suppose c. Then you will find a plus b plus c. तीनों को ऐड कीजिए, सब कट जाएगा, 0 हो जाएगा. And a plus b plus c equal to 0. Then this implies a cube plus b cube plus c cube can be written as 3abc. If a plus b plus c equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube can be written as 3abc. So this is a, this is b, this is c. Then a plus b plus c is coming 0. इसको जोड़िए, इतना प्लस इतना, देखिए सब कटेगा. So it is a cube plus b cube plus c cube can be written as 3abc. x minus y, y minus z, z minus x can be written as a factorize. One more you see. एक सवाल और देखिए, ये वीडियो खत्म. Then you can yourself solve this type of factorized problems given in your book. एक लास्ट और देख लीजिए. Factorize. (27) x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. इसको फैक्टराइज करना. देखिए ये देख के पता चल रहा है. इट इज ऑफ द टाइप ए क्यूब प्लस बी क्यूब प्लस सी क्यूब माइनस 3abc. दिस कैन बी रिटन एज 3x होल क्यूब. इट इज ऑफ द टाइप ए क्यूब. इट इज बी क्यूब. इट इज ऑफ द टाइप सी क्यूब. इट मस्ट बी 3abc. a b c. देखिए आ गया 9xyz. So it is of the type a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. So what will be its factorization? A plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square, then minus ab minus bc minus ca. देखिए ठीक से, ए क्यूब प्लस बी क्यूब प्लस सी क्यूब माइनस 3abc, ए प्लस बी प्लस सी, ए स्क्वायर इसका स्क्वायर 9x स्क्वायर, बी स्क्वायर सी स्क्वायर माइनस ए बी, ये इंटू ये माइनस ए बी होता है खाली, 2ab नहीं, तो 3xy माइनस ए बी माइनस दिस इंटू दिस 3x इंटू वाई minus BC this into this YZ minus AC means 3x into Z, 3xz यहाँ देखिए ठीक कर लीजिए. So in this way we can factorize it. So this type of factorization is given in your book, and after solving these problems you can try some problems given in your book. One is expand 1 by 4a minus 1 by 2b plus 1. This type of question are also there. Expand करना है इसको. So obviously it is of the type a plus b plus c whole square. You can write it 1 by 4a, this is of the type A. This can be written like this, it is b, a plus b plus c its whole square. In place of a it is a by 4, in place of b it is minus 1 by 2b, in place of c it is 1. So use a plus b plus c whole square. A square, this is a square, plus b square, this is b its square, plus c square plus 2ab, 2 into a into b, देखिए ये हो गया 2ab प्लस 2bc, 2b के जगह पर है इतना और c के जगह पर है 1, प्लस 2ca, ca मीन्स चलिए c हो गया 1 एंड a है माइनस 1 by 4, minus not 1 by 4a, 2ca, 2c, c means 1, a means 1 by 4a. So in this way we can expand it. Now you simplify and get the answer. See, it is coming 1 by 16a square, minus square will become plus, 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4 b square, plus 1 square is 1, plus, see here, this 2 will cancel, minus and here it is plus, so product will come as a minus, 1 by 4 ab, 1 by 4 ab over. Now this 2 can be cancelled, minus, so this sign will become minus, b into 1, b simply, and here 2 2 ja 4, so it is half a plus half a. This will come after simplifying. Okay, so in this way we can expand it by using a plus b plus c whole square. So this type of problems are given in class 9 exercise. So after solving this, all types of problems have been taken here. Now as I have solved 4-5 problems, so yourself you will solve 4-5 more problems other than this, then you will understand the things. Okay, thank you for watching polynomial. Thank you.